I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing Mintay's newly released products. This is an exciting video because it's talking about a brand new release from Mintay Papers, including 6 new books. This is the first book. It's line art elements and backgrounds. Beautiful black and white pages in here. I'm going to go through each book briefly. This is the cute book. It's filled with all these cute little pictures. It's going to be perfect for those little ones in our lives. We've got Basic Book 8, Backgrounds Vintage, for all those people that love music notes and old papers. We've got, I think this is my favorite, the Shabby Book, full of shabby chic, butterflies and birds, clock faces, etc. We've got the Basic Book 9, which is Backgrounds Vintage Floral. Absolutely beautiful. And something really different, a pet book with domestic animals for all those pet lovers. So that was the brief version. Now I'm going to take you through each of these beautiful Mintay papers, nice and slowly, and we're going to look at each picture. So let's start with our pet book. So here we have a page of dogs, one of our most favorite pets. And our next page is cats. Lots of beautiful kittens on there, all different breeds. Our next page is rodents and bunnies. So we've got a ferret, and we've got bunny rabbits, and we've got mice. Our next page is colourful. It's birds and fishes. So we've got some beautiful birds there and some cute little fishes. And then we've got reptiles and spiders. Ooh, look at those reptiles and spiders there. And then we have our pet accessories, the things that our pets love to play with or love to have in our homes to allow them to be comfortable. And then we're back to the beginning. So we've got dogs and cats, rodents and bunnies, birds and fishes, reptiles and spiders, and accessories. And those pages are repeated in the book. There is 4 of each of those pages, so you're never going to run out of these images. And you can use the backs of the papers as well to create cards and scrapbook layouts and projects. Let's take a look now at Basic Book 9, Backgrounds Vintage Floral. When you open the book, you automatically get the feel for this book. It's very vintage. It's very floral. It's soft. It's beautiful. It kind of reminds me of my grandmother's tablecloth, or some curtains, or perhaps a handkerchief or a crocheted doily. It's very old-fashioned, it's very subtle, it's very unique actually. This book is very unique to scrapbooking papers that I have seen in the past. So this one's a little bit different. It has 12 different designs in the booklet, and you get 4 of each. So that's 24 double-sided sheets. It's a 6x8 paper pad, and it's 240 GSM, so it's a lovely thickness. So this one really does feel a bit nostalgic to me, the Basic Book 9 Backgrounds Vintage Floral. And now let's move on to, I think this is my favorite, the Shabby Chic book. And when you open it up, oh my goodness, you've automatically got some lovely vintage frames, and then a whole page called Clock Faces and Buttons. Then a lovely white wood washed page here, and some gorgeous flowers. When you turn over again, more of that gorgeous white wood look. And this page is Angels and Wings. Turning over, we've got birds and butterflies. Absolutely beautiful in the softest pastel colors. And then turning over, this is the miscellaneous page. So you've got a range of items here. And then we've got frames. And then we are back to clock faces and buttons and our flowers, angels and wings, birds and butterflies, miscellaneous, and our frames. There is 4 of 6 designs, so there's 6 different designs and you receive 4 copies of each, and at the back another page of frames. Perfect for card making, album making, all of those beautiful pastimes. This is basic book number 8 and backgrounds is vintage. Now this is a true vintage book. And I know people love pages like these, especially for their junk journaling and their album creation or their heritage scrapbooking. These papers really do have a very old feel to them, very authentic old feel. Some lovely music notes, even a map and another map there. So you can really get the vintage feel here. Everything's very distressed and old. And in this book you will receive 12 different designs and you'll get 4 copies of each of those designs in the 6 by 8 inch size. So this really will be very popular with the junk journaling creators and those that love to make projects that look very old and distressed. That's basic book 8, backgrounds vintage. And now this book, this has intrigued me, the cute book. Of course we need a cute book. When you open up the page you see beautiful rainbows and suns and stars, and then on this page we've got cute farm animals. Aren't they gorgeous? Their big eyes. A lovely polka dot background, and then we've got cute dinosaurs, polka dot, cute unicorns, polka dot, cute superheroes, cute mermaids, and cute animals. Now I must say the polka dot is going to be the perfect background for all these gorgeous little critters that you can cut out. You can make birthday cards for kids with these. You can make scrapbook layouts, baby themed projects. Honestly, this is the cutest book I think I have ever seen, and I can't wait to fussy cut these out and to just have a little play with these images. What can I create with these? Absolutely beautiful. You get 4 copies of all 6 designs. That's your back page there with lovely rainbows on the back. And so that is our cute book. And now let's check out the black and white book, which is line art, elements and backgrounds. Now this is very different and unique. We only have black and white and grey. We've got flowers 1, flowers 2, leaves, and birds. We have wreaths, my favorite. I love wreaths. We have gorgeous frames. And now we're back to flowers. Now, who loves to color? Do you like to use watercolor? Do you like distress inks? Do you like Copic markers? Do you like pencils? What do you like to color with? Because, oh my goodness, this book is coming with me everywhere. I just want to sit and color wherever I go and just relax with this book and see what I can create with it. So intriguing. A black and white book. Never have we had a Mintay black and white book before. So look at these beautiful new products. The black and white book, the cute book, the basic book 8, the pet book for all the pet lovers, the beautiful vintage floral backgrounds, and the shabby chic book. Goodness me, I just can't wait to start cutting these and using them in my projects, and I'm sure you feel the same. I almost get that, oh my God, I've got a craft feeling as soon as these things come into my house. Let me take you through the Mintay Chippies album bases. Now these are brand new album bases, and look at this. It's a little teacup. Now don't you think this is just adorable? Imagine what you could create, a little album with a teacup shape. How special. In our album, there are 7 pieces. So that gives you the one piece that has all the filigree cut out. And then you've got another 6 pages behind that filigree cut out to create a lovely album filled with photos, papers, memorabilia, whatever you would like. The creativity here is just completely endless. Look at this cute little balloon, a hot air balloon, and it's got all these little love hearts cut into it. Absolutely beautiful, and a balloon shape. So you've got your base pages there that are just flat pages to glue on all of your embellishments, and all of your papers, all of your memories can glue onto these little album bases. Look at this, a wings one. Now I'm not sure which way does this go. Does the wings go down? I think they might go down like this. This is a beautiful wing book, and you know, we saw some lovely angel pictures and wing pictures in the Shabby Chic book. Maybe you could combine those two and create a really special angelic album. All right, that's the top 3. Now I'm going to reveal the bottom 3. Have a look at these. This one here. This is a birdhouse. A beautiful filigree birdhouse. It's got a little door at the front there. It opens up like this. Isn't that unique and special and so different? Nothing I've seen has been like this before. A beautiful shape. This could go with any paper collection from Mintay and look stunning. What else have we got here? Let's have a look at this. Oh my goodness. This is a unicorn. See the unicorn antler at the top, or the horn at the top, and the 2 ears on the side, and it's got the eyelashes. This is beautiful. This could be bound quite easily at the side, and imagine what you could create with this. Birthday party albums, special memories for little girls to look at. So, so cute. It would really theme well with our cute book, right? And this one here is a bird cage. Now have a look at that. Isn't that stunning? Just totally shabby chic here, everybody. You could team this with your Shabby Chic book. This would make a beautiful wedding album, a special keepsake of some photos of treasured people in your life. It's just beautiful. These album bases take all the hard work out of creating an album. They're easy to use, and they're a great starting piece for an amazing project. You could make them as a Christmas gift. There's just so many potential ideas and creative things that you can do with these. And so they are the 6 brand new Mintay Chippies album bases that have just been released. Very exciting. I love them all. Which one will you pick to create with first? Now before you go, I've got to show you the 12 by 12 chipboard pieces. This one is the bird cages set, and look at these gorgeous bird cages. I can see these on scrapbook layouts. I can see these in mini albums. I can see them all put together on a tag, on a ring, and made into a little ring binding tag holder. There's this beautiful clock. This even has the little hands on the clock, so you can actually make a real sort of clock for a layout or for whatever project that that you like. This is called Lacy Wreath. It's a beautiful piece of chipboard, perfect for a scrapbook layout. Look amazing. Don't forget, you can paint these up, you can ink them, you can color them. This one here is called Filigree Square. It's absolutely beautiful. The designs are just gorgeous. This one is called the Window Set. This is beautiful. These could be cut up and put onto cards, or you could use these on layouts. You could use them in an album, or you could use these in a Beyond the Page project. Absolutely beautiful. And look, wings again. The angelic wing set is really coming through in this release. There's lots of angel feelings coming through, lots of comfort, lots of love. So these are beautiful angel wings, again, that you could use in many different ways. So these are the new 12 by 12 Mintay Chippies for this release. There's 6 of them all together. So we have 6 new 12 by 12 Chippies. We have 6 new Mintay Chippies album bases, and we have 6 new paper pads. So what a beautiful new release. Make sure you get onto these new products as soon as you can, because I can tell you they are going to sell out super fast. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.